In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in CS2 AIM map. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a 1v1 lobby for you and your friends in CS2. Due to an update released some months ago, we are now finally able to invite as many people as we want and set up a custom server. So all that you have to do is first of all, invite your friends. Use this menu at the right side of the home screen, click on your friend, and then click on invite. They will get a notification similar to this one. So on the Steam launcher, they will be able to see this option here to play the game. And when they click this, they will load up into your lobby or your party right away. Now, once the lobby has been created, go over to play and you will be able to choose any maps available. You just have to make sure that you either click on practice or workshop maps. If you click on practice, you can browse between competitive, wingman, casual, deathmatch, and arms race, but assuming that you want to do 1v1 in an AIM map, you will go over to workshop maps, visit workshop, and look for the specific AIM map that you want to do here. So you can look for something like 1v1 AIM or anything like that, and you will be able to find highly rated maps. So I'm going to choose this one, 1v1 AIM map. Once you find one that satisfies you, just click the green plus sign here to subscribe and the map will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, select the map, click go, and usually what you want to do is set it to custom or competitive. Make sure that you choose one of these two. I recommend custom. Now click go, and as long as both of you were on the same lobby or party together prior to clicking on join on the map, all of you will connect to the same server. There shouldn't be any bots, but if you see bots, open the console and you can type bot_kick like this. Once the bots have been kicked, you will be good to go. You will be able to play 1v1 against your friend, and all of you, even more people, can join, so you can do 2v2, 3v3, and so on. They can join as spectators if they want to watch the 1v1s, and you will be able to switch between the teams and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in CS2 AIM map. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.